is Thursday afternoon. We've been prepping and sanding the few spots that were bad on the car, so we decided we're going to shoot the back end of the car, the whole thing. This way it's easier. We're gonna give it a dusting of the black and then reshoot it clear. This way it shines like a diamond when he gets it. And I started taking apart the C10. I did a bed liner in the inside of the wheel well. We still have to do that one right there. And then we're going to shoot the firewall and see how that comes out. Okay, like and subscribe and keep watching. You'll be amazed what we can do here.